Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Mars, Professor of Practical Theology and Counseling here at Concordia Seminary in St. Louis, and I've been here for 16 years. Prior to coming here, I was first a Christian counselor and psychologist for a number of years in my 20s and 30s, then became a pastor, and after I was a parish pastor for 6 years, the seminary asked me to come back and teach pastoral counseling. I've been a missionary in sorts to Christian counselors who do not know Luther's soul care theology. And so I look forward to this workshop where I can talk with both pastors and Christian counselors that attend about Luther's soul care theology, and then we discuss strategies that flow out of Luther's soul care theology that we can use in the care of souls, either in Christian counseling or in pastoral counseling. So again, I look forward to seeing you all this summer.